How to set up multiple merchant IDs in the Valor portal. Starting from the Merchant Management module, deploy your device as you normally would by selecting Add New under either Full Board or Quick Board. Enter the merchant's contact information. In the Store section, enter the MCC, select it, and then click Add Device. From the pop-up, select Multimid. Once selected, scroll down, choose your device type, and for the processing platform, select First Data Omaha. Below, you'll see Profile Number 1. You can add up to 10 different merchant profiles per terminal. This setup will create a total of 11 device EPIs, 1 parent EPI, and 10 child EPIs. These support individual portal logins and device behavior settings specific to each merchant profile. After you save and exit, you'll be brought to the Review section where you can review or edit any of the merchant profiles. You can also click Next to view your modules, then click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation alert showing the 4 device EPIs. The parent EPI will be used to download all device information, encryptions, parameters, and VAR data for each of the merchant profiles. Click OK, and then move down to Device Management. At the top, you'll see the 3 devices you just built for the 3 merchants. How to set up Multimid in Point of Sale Terminal. Next, move to the terminal to set up passcodes and learn how to switch between merchants. Once the download is complete, the screen will display Merchant Number 2. From the main menu, go to Settings and then tap Hierarchy in the bottom left corner. This will show the list of merchants added to the device. When entering this section for the first time, select Merchant Number 1. Create a passcode. For this example, enter 1234. The terminal will now switch EPIs, update the configuration, and display Merchant Number 1. Each merchant profile can send batch reports to a different email address based on the store and profile setup. This concludes the training session on Valor's Multimid, both from the portal and directly on the device.